Kambuni ya ukinyanĩria ya Safaricom nĩ ĩgwatanĩrĩte na LEWA Wildlife Conservancy kĩrĩrũĩro rwa kũva mbeca cha gũtethereria kubanga LEWA Safari Marathon kaunti ya ISIOLO tarĩki 29 mweri JUJU. Safaricom yugĩte nĩ athurĩte milioni 25 cha gũtethereria macindano jau.
So LEWA is very interesting. It's a very unique marathon. Of course, you are running in the wild, and choppers, helicopters have to be used to make sure that they keep the animals away from the running track. I have participated twice, actually 3 times in the LEWA event, and this year I'll also be doing again. For us in Safaricom, we are now at 24 years, so we started sponsoring LEWA even before the business was born. So it's fantastic to be involved in an event that is about conservation, that's about supporting community, and it's also about really living our purpose of transforming lives. So we sponsored LEWA for 25 years. We've raised in total more than $8 million that has been used to support communities. This year we will be sponsoring and with a check of 25 million Kenya shillings. We've also encouraged our employees to raise money, and we have said that any money that our employees raise will be matched by the company, and I'm going to keep that promise.
25 years for us is really big, really big. The fact that, and it's connoted in this year's theme. So this year's theme is connecting generations through 25 years of conservation. So we've been at it supporting conservation efforts for the last 25 years. And the fact that we've been doing it for 25 years and we're seeing the impact right now, generations have been at it. Now, a person who was 1 year old when we're starting is 25 years of age right now. And when you hear the beneficiary stories of the people who benefited from the marathon firsthand, at 25 years benefiting, a community actually saying that someone has gone through school, from preschool all the way to high school and graduated from high school, courtesy of support and funds from the marathon, is really incredible.